Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. Today I'm going to talk about the Dove soap. Of course, Dove is a very old brand. It's been around for so many years. I remember when I was a little girl, I used to use this as my shower gel and all that. So I went to the supermarket last time and I didn't realize that they have this new brand. This soap has exfoliating properties and it can be used on the face, and that is so cool. Now, if you know one thing about Dove, you know it's about the fact that it's so gentle on the skin. It cleanses very well. It does not dry out your skin. If you have very dry skin, like Dove is the soap you need. And one thing I love about Dove is the fact that with their packaging, they don't waste plastic. Is made of, they just put the soap in the box and it's sealed very well. It has a very gentle smell. And with the Dove exfoliating soap, it claims to exfoliate your skin and your face. Now, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's white, but if you look very well, it's got some blue particles, light blue particles inside, and this is supposed to be the exfoliator. Yes, but it's so light, if you don't look very well, you are not going to realize that it's got some stuff in there. So I guess this is what is supposed to exfoliate your skin. Now, if you have to exfoliate with this soap, you will just have to rub it on your face, because these particles are so thin, they are so tiny that I don't think it's really gonna exfoliate anything. Okay, I mean, I use exfoliators, I use chemical peels, I use scrubs like activated charcoal, like apricot scrub, sugar scrub, and all that. And those are a little bit, they've got a little bit bigger grains and they kind of exfoliate very well. But this is just too fine. Like, this doesn't really have exfoliating properties. Okay, now I use it on my face. Obviously, I rubbed it on my face as it's supposed to be done to get the exfoliating effect, but it didn't really do. I didn't even feel anything scrubbing my face, apart from the fact that it doesn't really exfoliate. It's a good soap, it's a very gentle soap, and it's so mild. If you have sensitive skin, if you have dry skin, this is great for you. It never leaves your skin greasy. After rubbing it on my face, I just rinse it off with lukewarm water, and I just dab my face dry with a face towel, and my face feels fresh, very clean. At the same time, it doesn't feel dry. It doesn't strip your face of the natural oils on your face. It maintains the hydration, and it's a very great soap for the body and the face as well. And the good thing about this is the fact that it's so cheap. I got 2 pieces of this for less than €2, so it's so cool. 1 piece is less than €1. The Dove soap has been around for so many years, and they are still strong on the market. If there's one thing good about Dove soap, is the fact that it doesn't contain harsh chemicals. Even though it doesn't contain the harsh industrial chemicals, it cleanses very well. So this is it. This soap, with its exfoliating effect, I'm sorry, but it doesn't really exfoliate. Even on the face, it does not, because it's not strong enough. Like, the things has the particles are just in there, but it doesn't really exfoliate. But apart from that, it's a great soap for the face. If you need a very gentle soap for your face, this is great. I must say, maybe the only thing, or the only kind of skin is going to exfoliate is the baby skin, because like, this is just too soft to be an exfoliating soap. So that is it. Let me know, have you tried this before? What do you think? Do you like Dove products? I do love it because it's so gentle on the skin, and it has this very mild, gentle smell. It doesn't irritate you, and that is a good plus. Thanks guys, and I hope you did like this video. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.